Hello guys, this is a video about time tracking. Previously, we used to use Google Calendar, or currently actually. And well, first of all, I'd like to say that this video is obviously provisional for a few weeks. Then we do a proper one because we are in a transition time. Now we're using normally Google Calendar. We have the project, the calendars. Okay, that gets in is getting a bit complicated for us to have clarity. So we're gonna do time tracking through a new application, which is tracking time. I'll show you in a minute. Now, if you see on the internet, these two videos explain a bit about the cases and the stages and naming and filing. And I know that it's a bit boring, but we need to get this right. And if we get this right, we will be able to be consistent throughout all the aspects of the business from the project creation in the CRM. And for example, we're starting to do things like that, like 60 SD variation. This would be a case, and this would be the main project. And we would be able to, from here, create proper tasks. So for example, we're gonna create one board per project. Let's say that we go in here, Sally Road. So we have the pipeline, and then we can create a case, and we can create other boards. So people, we're going to create also, yeah, this would be the case, as template card, which is an overview, where we're going to outline the aim of the task and the due dates and etc. So we keep using Asana for this. I think it's very visual and we can see what everyone is doing. But now the reason of the video is to go to tracking time. This app, you can go to the website and watch the tutorials. They are only 2 minutes. They're much more efficient than me making videos, and they're very explanatory. um, if you are on the desktop application, it's actually fantastic. You probably have a different setup in here, but basically you can add activities. The way I do it is normally on the calendar. So for example, today I've been doing these bloody videos. So I can just drag, same as in Google Calendar, but the beauty is that we can find the tasks and the cases. So for example, in let's go to one project that we all know, yeah, 42 to 44 Chamberlain Avenue, Julia Di Nova. Okay, today I was working on the section 138. How do you know where you were working? Because from now on, we should be working always in the folder of the case or the stage, depending on what we're doing. In this case, I think we've been working the last few months. Well, Miguel has been working all the time in the CC, in CC1. I myself been working a little bit on the section 138, and Martin has been working on interior. On 49 Bruce Street, Antonio's been working, and also, sorry, not Anton, Miguel's been working on SD, of the design development, and I've been working a little bit myself on the tender. On Carina Road, Antonio's been working on preliminaries, and now we're just about to jump into sketch design. Then all the setup, well, this is gonna be deleted. All the setup on the drawings, it wasn't 68 Carina Road, even though we did it on that project. It was more on the administration of the admin, um, for the workflow. And in here we can just add the details, put the date, save. In my case, today I've been working also in administration. Actually, I've been working on intranet. See, intranet. I created this project, creating onboarding videos and onboarding videos, the standard video. Okay, and I started earlier than this. Okay, exactly ala, 2 and finish. Now it's quite late. It's 21:00, 21 30. Okay, save. Now and we have this will allow us to have reports like custom reports per projects and timesheets. We can see um, custom reports like adding um, services, and we can add projects per tasks. So it gives us clarity of what we're doing, where are we spending the money, and this will only improve the efficiency of the company, and therefore the bet we can access to better projects and do a bit more meaningful work. So yeah, from now on we track time on this application. I know that it will take few days to get the juice to it. There is a mobile application also that is fantastic. Watch the tutorials of this company. Just type tracking time altogether.co, I think, and watch them. And then before the 15th of this month, so in 5 days, we should every each one get all the hours that have been done in Google Calendar from the 1st of July. So it's only 2 months, and it's not that many hours because we've been kind of holidays, and translate it into tracking time. If there is something missing or they can track the time, just make a note and then contact me to create that particular project. And yeah, and I'm sorry that we have to do it from the 1st of July, but the reason is that 1st of July start the financial year in Australia, and we need to keep, I mean, for the data to work, it has to be from the beginning of the year, beginning of the quarter. So yeah, bad news, but I pay you guys for this and try to do it quick. So on the 15th, hours will be tracked on this one for this period, and also all the hours from the 1st of July have to be made in accordance with the invoices that you have sent to the company. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.